All right, we back on y'all once again. So today I want to touch on tax liens, right? So a tax lien is what happens when you owe money in property taxes but don't pay it. The county says you owe us money, and when that doesn't get paid, they put a lien on the property. The lien is like a legal IOU. You know what I mean? It means that the county has first dibs on the property even before the bank. So instead of waiting years to collect, the county will say, we're going to auction this property. You know what I'm saying? We're going to auction it to potential investors. So now, as an investor, you can pay off that tax bill. Maybe it's 2,000, maybe it's 10,000, maybe it's more. But in return, you get the tax lien certificate. So that certificate earns you interest. In Georgia, that's a minimum of 20%. So if you paid $5,000 for the lien, the homeowner redeems it later and you make at least $1,000 in profit. So that's not bad for purchasing the lien, sitting back and waiting for them to finally make a payment and, try to get the situation straight on their end. You still get paid if the homeowner gets caught back up on their property taxes. So, but here's where it gets interesting in Georgia. Some states let you collect interest, others let you take ownership. So, Georgia is what's called a redeemable deed state. This means that you buy the tax lien at auction, and if the owner doesn't pay you back within 12 months, you can actually start the process to take the property. So, in the worst case scenario, you earn 20% or more on your money. Best case scenario, you end up owning a house or a piece of land for pennies on the dollar. That's why investors love Georgia's system. Now let's talk about how to actually do this. So here's your step by step. First, you want to start small. Counties like DeKalb, Fulton, Gwinnett, or Cobb County all have regular tax lien sales. You can check their official websites or call the tax commissioner's office to confirm the auction date. Next, you want to do your research. Each county posts a list of potential properties that are going up for auction, usually a few weeks out before the actual sale date. You can find the addresses, parcel numbers, and how much is owed on each property. You can then use Zillow or the county GIS map to see what those properties are worth. Next, you will attend the auction. Auctions in Georgia are typically held on the first Tuesday of every month, right on the courthouse steps. You'll need cashier checks ready, of course, and bring a photo ID. The bidding starts at the tax amount owed and goes up from there. After that, you would collect or claim. So after you win, you'll get your lien certificate. If the owner redeems the property, they pay you back plus 20% minimum. And if not, after 1 year, you could start the foreclosure process to take the property. Now, a couple of quick tips. Always check for other liens or mortgages on the property. Don't bid on landlocked lots or houses you can't legally access. Remember, your money is tied up until the owner redeems or you foreclose. So this isn't a get-rich scheme. It's a patient investor's game. So that's the breakdown. Tax liens in Georgia 101. You can make solid returns or even end up owning real estate without a mortgage. If you found this helpful, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button. and let me know in the comments if you want me to walk you through exactly how to find your first lien auction online in the state of Georgia or any other state. Feel free to let me know in the comments, and we'll, research and put it together for that next video just for you. Have a great day.